Welcome to Foothill High School. I am Jean Donadio, principal. I am proud to say that with the hard work and dedication of your child and our teachers, Foothill High School has made annual yearly progress. Annual yearly progress means that we have met all the benchmarks of the No Child Left Behind Act. Our academic achievements are great, and we continue to top the charts in English, math, and science. We are also proud of last year's graduation class. They earned over $2 million in scholarship money, which is double from the previous year. We know it is with the support of our parents and community that we have been able to reach these high standards. If you have not received your parent link code, please call Rebecca Reed at 799-3500 extension 4035. Questions concerning your child's grades, call the counseling office at 799-3500 extension 4300 to schedule an appointment. You are welcome to join the Parent Advisory Committee at any time. We meet on the first Wednesday of the month at 8:30 a.m. As you meet your child's teachers tonight, I hope you come away knowing that our motto is success is the only option. Our homework and grading philosophy encourages students to see their teacher for individual help to master the necessary skills before retaking any test. Student attendance is important for successful completion of assignments in preparation for exams. Please make sure absent notes are handed into the attendance office within 3 days of the absence. With the support of parents and our school community, all of us can help our students make the right choices necessary to accomplish graduation for all. I hope you enjoy your evening and have a safe trip home. Thank you.